If your cPanel does not have Softaculous or any one-click installer, you can still manually install WordPress using the traditional method. Here's how you can do it. Download WordPress. 1. Go to the official WordPress website, https://wordpress.org, and download the latest version of WordPress. Create a database. 1. Log into your cPanel account. 2. Find the Databases section and click on MySQL Databases. 3. Create a new MySQL database by entering a name and clicking Create Database. 4. Create a database user by scrolling down to the MySQL Users section. 4. Enter a username, password, and click Create User. 5. Add the database user to the database you created by scrolling down to the Add User to Database section. 5. Choose the user and database from the drop-downs and click Add. Upload WordPress files. 1. Access your cPanel's file manager or use an FTP client like FileZilla to connect to your hosting account. 2. Navigate to the root directory of your website, usually public_HTML or www, where you want to install WordPress. 3. Upload the WordPress files you downloaded earlier to this directory. Extract and configure WordPress. 1. In the File Manager, select the WordPress zip file and click Extract to unzip the files. 2. After extraction, you should see a folder named WordPress. 2. Rename this folder to your desired directory name, for example, blog or site. 3. Open the renamed folder, select all files and folders inside, and move them to the root directory, one level above, if you want WordPress to be installed directly on your domain. Configure WordPress. 1. Access your domain in a web browser, for example, https://yourdomain.com, to start the WordPress configuration process. 2. Choose your preferred language and click Continue. 3. Enter the database details you created earlier, database name, database username, database password, database host, usually localhost, and table prefix. You can leave it as default WP_. Complete the installation. 1. Click Run the installation. 2. Provide your site title, username, password, and email address for the admin account. 3. Click Install WordPress. Access WordPress admin dashboard. 1. After installation, you'll see a success message. 1. Click the Login button to access the WordPress admin dashboard. That's it. You have manually installed WordPress in cPanel without using Softaculous. Now you can begin customizing your site, installing themes and plugins, and creating content from the WordPress admin dashboard.